This is a part two. What I've done is I was thinking what glue I should use. Okay, so it looks finished. Okay, so this is what I did. Okay, so I added the flat surface at the back. I may make a double-sided flat surface. I may add another flat surface on top, but this is just to show you how it looks like and what I did. So I was thinking of what glue I should use. One of the cheapest glue you could use is obviously hot glue, but then that could melt with if you're using your heatsink for high heat applications, it will not be good. So another one is crazy glue. However, I don't know if crazy how it will work with the heat, but I know that epoxies are really good with the heat, so I use an epoxy like clay, like this one, you know, the one that's advertised on TV. Yeah, this is the one. So Mighty Putty clay, and I think this one could handle the heat well. Okay, so I use that to I use it on the sides, only on the sides. So you have to make it a little bit longer here on the side. Your flat surface has to be a little bit, and you could trim it later and sand it, whatever you want to do. So that's what I did. I didn't cut it perfectly. You can see my mistake. Yeah, so if you want to do it perfect, then yeah, it will come out better. So you put the clay at the edges, and then it attaches perfectly fine. Yeah, so now you have a large heatsink that costs you nothing. Okay, I will put the Peltier plate here at the flat surface, and then we can make a smaller fridge out of this. Let's see. We will see if it's gonna work or not. So follow me for part 3, and hopefully it will work.